Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. I'd stopped going in charity shops again because things are going a bit wild with the Omicron, but I risked it today, I suppose you could say. Sue Ryder charity shop at Longwell Green. It's the only charity shop out there, and it's very rare that there's more than a couple of people in there. There's only a couple of people in there when I went in anyway. So, 2 items I bought. I bought this timber kit, battery drive kit. I've got one already. I've done quite a few of these timber kits. They're automata, wooden automata. And if you have this kit, you can electrify them. So, I must admit I didn't check whether it had been opened or not. I'm hoping it hasn't been opened and it's got all the bits in it. It's just an electric motor and a couple of pulleys and a little box with an on-off switch. Oh, and a battery box in there. It fits all the automata, but once you've actually arranged the bits to suit that particular automata, you can't swap it to another one because they don't all line up, which annoyed me a bit with the one that I used. Only cost me £2, so well worth having. I don't have an automata that I want to electrify at the moment, but at £2 it was worth adding to my stockpile. Then here, it's those wooden clip together kits that I keep buying, only these look like they've actually been pre-painted, and it's a set of 6. Set contains 6 wooden boards with 6 different designs. Fun book with facts and challenges and instruction sheets. So I usually buy one for £1 or something like that in a charity shop. And this one was £1.95. So £1.95 for 6. That's okay. I mean, I've done all these before as individual ones, but that'd be one of those things I can put in the car, or if I get bored, do it at home. But put it in the car and do it when I'm stuck there waiting for my wife when she's gone shopping or visiting friends. And then the other thing I bought, as you can probably see in the background there, these have been out of stock in Poundland for quite a while, and they've just come back in stock. And I've just remembered I was going to check. I have a sneaking suspicion they were 4-packs before. Well, I'm wrong. That's the last pack I bought. And that was a 3-pack, same as them. Slightly updated packaging, isn't it? These have got red stickers, these have got red and white stickers. But yeah, I've been not using this pack because it's the last pack I've got and I was saving it for emergencies, as they say. But it looks like they're back in stock again now. So 3 for £1, as in 3 for £1, and I bought 3 packs, so £3. There you go. That was today, Thursday, the 30th of December. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.